Hello friends, we are going to perform the practical study of superposition theorem. Aim: you are provided with a circuit diagram of two terminal resistor networks with two sources. Assemble the circuit and measure voltage drop across the load RL or current through it. Draw the essential circuit with individual sources and verify superposition theorem. Comment on your result. So the circuit diagram of a resistive network is given here. It consists of two resistors R1 and R2, two sources V1 and V2, and a load resistor RL. So we have to measure the two observations here. First is measure the voltage across load RL, that is VL. We measure the voltage across this load using the voltmeter, and second one is measure the load current through RL, that is IL. We measure the current through the load RL using this milliammeter. So we connect the circuit and perform the experiment. We used here Proteus for the simulation. We pick the devices by clicking on P. We need resistor. So we get the resistance in our part list. We need battery. Cell. Okay. Now we place the components. Resistance R1, R2, RL. Then we need to source, that is cell or battery of 1.5 volt. We need a milliammeter or ammeter, DC ammeter, to measure the value of IL, and DC voltmeter to measure the VL. I rotate this ammeter and RL. Now change the value of R1, R2 and R3. The R1 is of 22 ohm, R2 is 22 ohm and RL is 47 ohm. R1 we change it from 10k to 22 ohm, R2 to 22 ohm, and RL is 47 ohm. Now we connect all the components. Okay. Now the circuit is connected. Now we run the simulation. We need to change the range of milliammeter to milliamps. Okay, now we run. So here we get the value of VL is 1.22 volt and the value of IL is 25.9 milliampere. We just note down here 1.22 volt and IL 25.9 milliampere. So for verification we need to perform these two steps. The step 1 is V1 is in circuit and V2 is replaced by short. So we keep this V1 as it is and we replace this V2 to a short circuit, and then we have to measure these two values, that is measure the voltage across load RL, that is VL1, and measure the load current through RL, that is IL. So we remove this V2 and short this V2 by a short circuit, replace it, and we run the simulation, and here we get 0.61 volt VL1 and IL1 is 12.9 milliampere. We just note down 0.61 volt and IL1 is 12.9 milliampere. The step 2 is V2 is in circuit and V1 is replaced by short. So we keep the V2 as it is and we replace this V1 by the short circuit, and then we have to measure the two values, that is VL2 and IL2 across this load RL. So I firstly open this and release these two wires. Now we connect the V2 and V1 we replace it by short. Now we run the simulation. Here we get the value of VL, that is VL2 0.61 volt, and the value of IL is 12.9 milliampere. We note down this VL2 0.61 volt and IL2 12.9 milliampere. So the conclusion is VL is equal to VL1 plus VL2. VL1 is 0.61 and VL2 is 0.61. So if we add these two values, 0.61 plus 0.61, we get 1.22, and if we add IL1 and IL2, IL1 is 12.9 plus IL2 is also 12.9, we get 25.8 milliampere. So here VL is equal to VL1 plus VL2, that is 1.22 volt here, and IL, that is 25.9 milliampere. We get here IL plus IL2 is equal to 25.8 milliampere. Hence the superposition theorem is verified. Thank you.